Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swathi Sudhakar. I'm an assistant professor in Department of Applied Mechanics and Biomedical Engineering, and I work on nanotherapeutics and space therapeutics. So regarding the GRPM, of course, like I was also there in last year, and this year I'm also here with my collaborator from Leeds University, and I would like to introduce Professor Jin Jose and Professor Samit Chakrabarty.
I'm here for the second time. I'm from the University of Leeds. I'm a professor in the School of Chemical and Process Engineering, and I'm leading a research partnership fund project with IIT Madras on sustainable healthcare technologies. And I'm joined with my colleague Samit from the University of Leeds.
Thank you, Jin. So yes, I'm the deputy on the same project, and I primarily look at the healthcare end of things, but I'm a bit biased towards engineering. I use engineering tools to understand the need in healthcare and the understanding of the different dysfunctions and the diseases, using all the tools that Ramki and others develop, and Swathi has been developing with him. So yes, that's... And it's been a good exercise since this morning at least, and it's been fun.
So we recently received this International Strategic Fund, and where we are again working on nanotherapeutics, where Professor Jin is working on development of different kinds of quantum dots, where we are going to use these quantum dots for theranostic applications, for both therapeutic as well as diagnostics in cancer. So this is what the project will be revolving around. And from Indian side, Professor Ranke is heading that. And from my lead side, he will talk about it.
Yeah, so we've been working on this kind of materials with multiple functionalities. So they might have optical and magnetic properties, which we can utilize for the imaging aspects, but at the same time, we can utilize such materials for theranostics that Swathi's group is pioneered in collaboration with Professor Ramki. My research also involves other broadly functional materials, materials which can emit light, what we call photonic materials. And we bring together the expertise in both University of Leeds and IIT Madras to take this research into next level of application.
Yeah, so one of the things commonly missing when we talk about medical devices and medical theranostics or all these aspects is sustainability. How do you actually make sure that it's useful in the environment that you're testing these in, and also useful in the sense of it's not just a ground-based study. It goes into the field and it's there and it's useful. So we need to start thinking about those aspects early on, and that's part of this conversation already, to see how do we implement those ground rules early instead of having it as an afterthought. And that's kind of where we stick out as a different kind of a thinking on this matter, is let's think about all these aspects beforehand, bring the industry early on so that we can actually bring a deliverable into the system and have involvement of course, Leeds and IIT Madras is quite strong in there. So it's a good ambition. Yeah, and hopefully we will be successful. I mean, not hopefully, we should be successful.
We have something nice to share in the next meeting.
Yes.